Hello, and welcome to Tuesday, October 27th in Module 6, Unit 2. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you will click Async. You have 3 activities to do today. The first one is a Nearpod writing lesson. You have all become experts in Nearpod, but there are some different activities in this Nearpod today. So you're going to click Join Lesson, and you will take notes. Make sure you take notes, okay? And then while you read and take notes, you have a activity to do. Here, you're going to match, and they'll tell you if you're right or wrong. And then here, you're going to read and you will highlight the evidence. So to highlight, you use the second circle and you will select your color and you will make the highlight a little bigger so we can highlight. And then you select the sentence that has the evidence, okay? And you click submit. Do the same thing for this one. You select and you highlight the evidence, okay? And you click submit. And the same thing for this one. You read the paragraphs, you highlight the evidence. So you select your color and select your color, submit. Select where in the paragraphs there is evidence, right? That's what you're going to do. Then here you play a game and then you are done. That's your first async activity. The second async activity is a Kahoot. So you will click and you will do a Kahoot. Okay? Enter your name and then you will play. Your third activity is writing sentences with conjunctions. So here you have a lot of explanation. So you're going to make your own sentences with these, or you can make your own, okay? So make sure you read everything. You only have to do about 4, all right? So you're writing compound sentences. You can use these for help or you can create your own. That's it for async. Now for sync, we have class together. It is Tuesday. We are going to review present perfect, do some practice with conjunctions, and that's it. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And that's it. Good luck.